Welcome to Davis-Wade Stadium. SMU takes on Texas. SMU is perfect on the season. The kick from Feller. Fielded by Fleming. 10-yard return. Hickson pitches right to Clements. No gain. Second and 10 from the 38. Texas faking blitz. Hickson barks out the signals. He fades back to pass. Screen to Clements. Tackled by Halsell at the 47. A gain of 9. 3rd and 1 at the 47. Hickson calls out the signals. Hickson can't handle the snap. Fumble. Hickson got it back. SMU will keep possession. The ball is marked at the 45. Loss of 2 on the play. Tunnel from punt formation. Steinmark standing inside his own 10. Steinmark catches it at the 18. Return of a 37-yard punt. First and 10 from the 26. Street pitches right to Worcester. Johnston tackles him at the 26. No gain. Second and 10 from the 26. Hand off to Worcester. Mitchell with the tackle at the 24. Loss of 2. 3rd and 12 from the 24. Street sets up in the pocket. Medium cross to Sprater. Monzingo will do the punting. Fielded by Levius. 12-yard return. Punt of 45. Hickson fades back to pass. Medium outside pass to Levius. Second and 10 from the 43. Hickson fades back to pass. Medium crossing pass to Holden. Return of 27 yards. Penalty on the play.
Holding, offense, 10-yard penalty.
The hand off to Gilbert. Hammered by Frazier at the 32. A gain of 1. Second and 9 from the 32. Street drops back to pass. Street dumps it to Sprater. Tackled by Tunnell. A gain of 8. 3rd and 1 at the 24. Quick hand off to Gilbert. Cormier gets the stop at the 22. First down. A gain of 2. First and 10 at the 22. Street gives to Gilbert. Spun down by Frazier at the 23. Loss of 1. Street gives to Gilbert. Johnston brings him down at the 19. 4 yards. 3rd and 7 from the 19. Street with 3-step drop. Short cross. 4th and 7 at the 19. Street drops back to pass. Medium cross to Comer. Complete. Touchdown Longhorns. Feller will try the point after. It's good. Texas 7 SMU 0. Here's the kick from Feller. Fielded by Fleming. Return of 14 yards. Hickson fades back to pass. Long hitch. Past the 10. Touchdown Mustangs. Lesser will try the point after. Good. SMU 7 Texas 7. Here's the kick from Tunnell. Fielded by Spraker. Return of 23. Street calls the signals. He fades deep. He throws deep. Second and 10. Street is back to pass. Short cross. Return of 12 yards. Hickson gives to Richardson. Steinmark with the tackle at the 38. No gain. Hickson fades back to pass. Screen to Clements. 3rd and 10 from the 38. Hickson fades back to pass. Hickson checks down to Holden. Tunnell back in punt formation. It rolls dead at the 4. Punt of 34 yards. Street hands to Worcester. Tackled by Stutz at the 5. A gain of 1. 2nd and 9 from the 5. Street sets up in the pocket. Medium hitch to Worcester.
Pass interference. Defense. Automatic first down.
Street drops back to pass. Street is running with it. Tackled by Mitchell at the 19. A gain of 3. Johnston was shaken up on the play. But he'll be okay. Second and 7 from the 19. Sprayer is doubled at the line. Street fades back to pass. He throws underneath to Worcester. 3rd and 7 from the 19. The handoff to Gilbert. Armstrong with the tackle at the 20. 1-yard gain. Monzingo to punt. Levius from the 32. 14-yard return. Punt of 48. Hickson is back to pass. Medium slant. Steinmark with the tackle at the 34. A gain of 20 on the play. The give to Richardson. Wide open field. Tackled by Halsell at the 20. A gain of 14. 1st and 10. Hickson calling signals. Running right. Yates is on the tackle at the 14. A gain of 6. Flag on the play.
False start. Offense. 5-yard penalty.
SMU breaks the huddle. Hickson fades back to pass. Short slant to Levius. 3rd and 9 from the 19. Texas showing blitz. Hickson back to pass. He dumps it to Fleming. Tackled by Steinmark at the 9. First down. 10-yard gain. Hickson threw for 350 last game. Tech 24 31sts, 1 int, 4 TD. First and goal. Hickson drops back to pass. Short out pass to Holden. Second and goal from the 9. Pitch right to Richardson. Campbell brings him down at the 4. A gain of 5. 3rd and 4 upcoming for SMU. 3rd and goal from the 4. Richardson takes the handoff. Tackled by Aitzes at the 4. No gain. 22-yard attempt for Tunnell. This will give them the lead. Good snap from Poulos. It's good. SMU 10 Texas 7. Tunnell boots it. Fielded by Sprater. Return of 31. Street on the run. Johnston brings him down at the 47. Pickup of 3. Street with the give to Worcester. 1-yard gain. 3rd and 6. Street at the line. He fades back to pass. Street checks down to Worcester. Return of 27 yards. It's Levius on the end around. Tackled by Halsell at the 29. A gain of 3. Hickson with a quick drop. Short crossing pattern to Levius. Tackled by Eric. A gain of 14. Hickson fades back to pass. He passes to Fleming. Tackled by Steinmark. Touchdown SMU. Lesser will try the point after. He made it. SMU 17 Texas 7. Tunnell to kick off. Fielded by Bradley. Out this game. Street at the line. Street gives to Gilbert. Tunnell brings down Gilbert at the 18. A gain of 4. 2nd and 6. Street fades back to pass. Medium fly to Comer. Livingston with the tackle. A gain of 21. First and 10. Street at the line. Hand off to Worcester. Johnston pulls him down at the 40. A gain of 1. Street fades back to pass. Street throws downfield to Worcester. 3rd and 9. Street calling signals. Takes a short drop. Pass in the flat to Worcester. Tackled by Portillo at the 45. First down. A gain of 15. First and 10 from the 45. Street gives to Worster. Stutz tackles him at the 45. No gain. Second and 10 from the 45. Street drops back to pass. Medium slant to Comer. Livingston tackles him at the 15. A gain of 30. Gilbert with the handoff. Portillo with the tackle at the 7. A gain of 8. Goal line defense. The give to Worster. At the 5. Touchdown Worster. Rushing TD number 10 for him. Feller will try the point after. It's no good. SMU 17 Texas 13. Feller to kick off. Fielded by Fleming. Return of 17 yards. SMU up 4. First and 10 from the 48. 3:29 left in the second. Hickson sets to throw. Short crossing pass. Spun down by Steinmark at the 22. A gain of 30. 3 catches, 119 yards for him. Hickson gives to Richardson. Campbell drills him at the 21. 1 yard gain. Hickson back to pass. Hickson throws underneath to Clements. Campbell with the stop at the 10. First down. A gain of 11. Hickson calling an audible. Hickson drops back to pass. Hickson throws to Richardson. SMU ahead by 4. They're looking for Richardson. Clements with the handoff. Aitzes with the tackle at the 13. Loss of 3. 3rd and 13 upcoming for SMU. 3rd and goal from the 13. Hickson fades back to pass. Hickson will have to run. Tackled by Aitzes at the 12. A gain of 1. SMU ahead by 4. 4th and goal at the 12. Hickson takes a deep drop. Medium outside pass to Holden. Stepped out at the 3. A gain of 9. First and 10. Street gives to Worster. Brought down by Johnston at the 4. A gain of 1. Second and 9 from the 4. Street sets up in the pocket. Street is running with it. Tackled by Doggett at the 15. First down. A gain of 11. First and 10 from the 15. Hurry up. Gilbert takes the handoff. Johnston spins him down at the 17. A gain of 2. Here's the kick from Tunnell. Fielded by Spraker. 38-yard return. Street calls out the signals. The field is getting slick. Street gives to Gilbert. Tackled by Armstrong at the 42. A gain of 9. Second and 1. Worcester with the handoff. Tackled by Johnston at the 41. A gain of 1. First down. Injury on the play. It's Tunnell from SMU. Tunnell to the sideline. His return is questionable. First and 10 from the 41. Gilbert with the handoff. Tackled by Cormier at the 38. A gain of 3. Second and 7. Street calls the signals. Bootleg. Tackled by Frazier at the 35. 3-yard gain. Injury on the play. It's Doggett from SMU. Doggett coming out. His return is doubtful. Third and 4. Street barks out the signals. Street drops back to pass. Street is off and running. Tackled by Frazier at the 29. First down. A gain of 6. Pitch right to Gilbert. A gain of 3. Street fades back to pass. Medium hitch. Caught by Homer. Touchdown Homer. Feller will try the point after. It's good. Texas 20 SMU 17. Feller boots it. Fielded by Levius. Out this game. Hickson at the line. Drops back to pass. Medium into Fleming. Tripped up by Steinmark at the 19. A gain of 37. Aitzes was hurt on the play. Aitzes coming out. He'll be back a few plays. Hickson barks out the signals. Hand off to Richardson. Campbell on the stop at the 11. A gain of 8. The give to Clements. Tackled by Campbell at the 8. First down. A gain of 3. SMU breaks the huddle. First and goal at the 8. Running left. The 5. Touchdown SMU. Lesser will try the point after. It's no good. SMU 23 Texas 20. Eccles to kick off. Fielded by Bradley. 9-yard return. They're watching for Worcester. Slick track out there. Street tucks it under. Tackled by Frazier at the 23. A gain of 2. Transfers control to Worcester. A gain of 3. Third and 5 from the 26. Street sets to throw. Short pass in the flat to Worcester. Livingston with the stop at the 47. A gain of 27. Texas trailing by 3. Street calling signals. Street pitches right to Gilbert. Room to run. Has room to run. Gilbert get pushed out by Mike Jordan near the 22. 25-yard gain. Gilbert ran for 169 last game 17/169. First and 10 from the 22. Pitch right to Worcester. Johnston hits him out around the 20. A gain of 2. Second and 8. Draw to Worcester. Room for Worcester. Room sheds a tackler at the 5. Touchdown Longhorns. Rushing TD number 11 for him. Feller will try the point after. Good. Texas 27 SMU 23. Feller boots it. Fielded by Fleming. Return of 7 yards. SMU trailing by 4. Hickson drops back to pass. Medium slant to Levius. Eric with the tackle. A gain of 17. Levius caught 11 passes last game Tech 11/188, 2 TD. 4 catches, 136 yards for him. Campbell was hurt on the play. Campbell to the sideline. Out for the game. First and 10. Hickson gives to Richardson. Bradley on the stop at the 46. 1-yard gain. SMU trailing by 4. Second and 9. 5:40 in the third. Hickson fades back to pass. Medium out to Holden. SMU down by 4. Third and 9 from the 46. Hickson fades back to pass. Hickson passes to Clements. Robertson tackles him at the 36. First down. A gain of 10. First and 10 from the 36. Hickson fades back to pass. Screen. Tackled by Robertson at the 24. First down. A gain of 12. Richardson caught 5 passes last game Tech 5:70 seconds, 2 TD. Hickson back to pass. Medium cross to Fleming. Fleming has an opening. Touchdown SMU. 5 catches, 106 yards for him. Lesser will try the point after. Good. SMU 30 Texas 27. Here's the kick from Tunnell. Fielded by Sprater. 35-yard return. Street barks out the signals. The handoff to Gilbert. Spun down by Johnston at the 46. A gain of 7. Second and 3 from the 46. 3:10 in the third. Street calls the signals. The give to Worcester. Tackled by Cormier at the 43. A gain of 3. First down. Texas trailing by 3. All eyes on Gilbert. Worcester takes the handoff. Tackled by Cormier at the 42. A gain of 1. Texas down by 3. Street with the give to Gilbert. Tripped up by Mitchell at the 39. 3 yards. Texas trailing by 3. 3rd and 6 from the 39. Street fades back to pass. Street throws to Worcester. Spun down by Armstrong at the 23. A gain of 16. Street threw for 285 last game 11/19, 3 TD. Texas breaks the huddle. Street calls out the signals. Street gives to Worcester. With daylight. Worcester tackled by Armstrong at the 11. First down. A gain of 12. First and 10. Street calls out the signals. Busted play. Armstrong brings him down at the 13. Loss of 2. Street fades back to pass. False. Brought down by Portillo at the 12. A gain of 1. Texas trailing by 3. 3rd and 11. Worcester split outside. Street drops back to pass. Medium crossing pattern. 30-yard attempt for Feller. It's good. SMU 30, Texas 30. Here's the kick from Feller. Fielded by Levius. Touchdown. Lesser will try the point after. Good. SMU 37, Texas 30. Here's the kick from Tunnell. Fielded by Spraker. Return of 22 yards. The field is in lousy shape. The handoff to Worcester. Frazier on the stop at the 34. A gain of 6. Second and 4. Street gives to Worcester. Tripped up by Stutz at the 35. 1-yard gain. 3rd and 3 at the 35. Street with a quick drop. Short hitch to Worcester. Bradley back to punt. He's running. Brought down by Mitchell. Loss of 3. Traction almost gone now. Pitch left to Richardson. Whipped down by Robertson at the 30. A gain of 2. Hickson calling signals. Fades back to pass. He passes to Clements. 3rd and 8. Hickson barks out the signals. Takes a quick drop. Short cross. 4th and 8 from the 30. Hickson calls out the signals. Hand off to Richardson. He throws downfield to Fleming. Longhorns down 7. The field is getting slick. Street pitches left to Worcester. Tackled by Mitchell at the 31. A gain of 1. 2nd and 9. Street at the line. Street sets up in the pocket. Street will run. Frazier brings him down at the 35. A gain of 4. 3rd and 5. Street hands to Gilbert. Tripped up by Nekmusa at the 43. First down. 8 yards. 1st and 10 from the 43. Gilbert with the handoff. Tackled by Mitchell at the 44. A gain of 1. Worcester takes the handoff. Brought down by Mitchell at the 45. 1-yard gain. Texas trailing by 7. 3rd and 8 at the 45. 6:05 left in the game. Street back to pass. He checks down to Worcester. Bradley deep in punt formation. Levius standing inside his own 10. Levius catches it at the 9. 12-yard return. 46-yard punt. SMU by 7. 1st and 10 from the 21. Hickson calling an audible. It continues to rain. The field is getting slick. Hickson fades back to pass. Short slant to Fleming. Tackled by Steinmark. First down. A gain of 13. 6 catches, 119 yards for him. Hickson working very slowly. Hickson can't handle the snap. Fumble. Hickson got it back. SMU keeps the ball. The ball is marked at the 33. Loss of 1 on the play. Wet ball on the field. 2nd and 11 from the 33. SMU taking their time. Hickson fades back to pass. Medium slant. Tackled by Bradley at the 36. A gain of 31 on the play. 5 catches, 167 yards for him. Hickson is now 16 of 27 for 337 yards. Injury on the play. It's Bradley from Texas injury. Bradley is slow getting up. His return is questionable. SMU breaks the huddle. Hickson is back to pass. Medium fly to Holden. Aldridge brings him down at the 17. A gain of 19. First and 10 from the 17. SMU taking their time. Pitch right to Clovis. Fumble. Recovered by Britton. SMU maintains possession. The ball is marked at the 13. A gain of 4 on the play. A slick ball may have caused that fumble. 2nd and 6. Hickson slow to the line. Back to pass. Medium hitch to Richardson. Richardson has running room. Touchdown Mike Richardson. Lesser will try the point after. It's good. SMU 44 Texas 30. Here's the kick from Tunnell. Fielded by Lester. 9-yard return. Street drops back to pass. Medium out to Spraker. Texas down 14. Street at the line. Street with the 7-step drop. Long out pass to Lesnar. Step out at the 43. A gain of 37. There is a fight on the field. Nekmuze is gone.
Personal foul. Defense. 15-yard penalty. Automatic. First down.
First and 10 at the 28. Street fades back to pass. Long out pass to Spraker. Street sets up in the pocket. Street tucks it under. Hammered by Tonnell at the 19. 9 yards. Texas trailing by 14. 3rd and 1 from the 19. 1:30 late in the game. Street fades back to pass. Short out to Spraker. Complete. Touchdown Spraker. Feller will try the point after. Good. SMU 44, Texas 37. Hence team on the field. Feller boots it to. Fielding by Staples. No return. The field is getting slick. Dixon gives to Richardson. Spun down by Williamson at the 47. A gain of 1. SMU by 7. 2nd and 9 47. Slips it to Richardson. Gang tackle at the 48. The gain of 1. 3rd and 8 from the 48. And off to Richardson. Tackled by McKinney at the 49. A gain of 3. And that will bring up 4th down. Tonnell back in formation. Steinmartin standing inside his own 10. OT bounds. 30-yard punt. Longhorns trailing by 7. Street drops back at pass. Long out to Lester. Street at the line. Takes a deep drop. Street throws it deep. No return. Draw offense. A gain of 1.